Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how to fix if you're getting Windows script host access disabled on this machine. Contact your administrator for details. So to fix this particular issue, we'll just go to Windows search bar and we'll type registry editor. Or better, we'll type regedit. Right, we'll right click on it and we'll run as administrator. So now we have to go to local machine over here and we'll go to software, and then we'll have to go to Microsoft and we have to search here Windows script host. You can see over here, right? So we'll expand it and we'll go to the setting folder over here. So now you can see that we're getting this enabled option over here, right? Enable settings. So we'll just open it up and we'll change the value. So it is in disabled mode now. So we'll just change the value to 1 and we'll hit OK. So in case if you're not getting this enabled option, this settings over here, so all you have to do is you just have to right click on it and you just have to add a new one, that is reward 32-bit value, and you can rename it as enabled, and after that you just have to change the value to 1. So I'm gonna delete it as of for now. Okay, and now restart your computer. So this is how you can fix this issue, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, it's Saurav, stay happy and love to learn new life hacks regarding technical difficulties. Bye.